it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DXTR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. But right off the get-go, I'm going to go ahead and just delete that line out of there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place, so that can, and risk causing clutter and confusion. Just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the one level that really stood out today, now that we have more data in terms of where the buyers seem to be hanging out, and therefore would be considered an area of support, is right here at 29 cents. You can see numerous times throughout the course of the day, the bears tried to push down through that level. Did succeed right there, but as you then saw, that didn't last very long and the price quickly snapped back above it. But point being, lots of history today of bears trying to push down through there, and the bulls held strong each and every time. So this is what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the healthiest and the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold above 29 cents, that would certainly be a great sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, it's not like everything's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, that would definitely be choice number one in terms of available scenarios. Taking a step back though, and the reason why it's not the end of the world if 29 cents does not hold is you still do have the overall trend indicator, which is the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as the name implies, it'll keep on moving upward. So if you want to picture that as a trend line, that is more than logical. So from a bigger picture perspective, simply put, a very cut and dry way to look at this, as long as the price is above that purple line, the quote-unquote trend line going forward, then from the overall perspective of things, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Current level that really stands out to me that's got quite a bit of price history is right here at about 33 cents. Yes, I realize the price went above it, but I'm trying to find a common ground. So sure, the price went above it, but right here the price didn't quite hit it, so it was slightly below it. And then right there, price bounced directly off it. So I'm going to call it 33 cents. If you want to call it 33.5, that's fine too. But I'm just going to leave it right there at 33 cents as that's the key and current level of resistance. But at the end of the day, who cares about resistance levels? If the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then the chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.